Flash flooding hits northern India, causing devastation. This house by the banks of a river, separating slowly from the road and then toppling complete into the swirling water below. Shocked locals unable to do anything to prevent it. Severe flooding has caused extensive damage in Uttarakhand state following a cloudburst. At least 2,000 people adversely affected, a number of people dead with more reported missing. More than 150 houses and 2 bridges washed away by the swollen Bhagirathi River. Local government trying to evacuate the area. Annual monsoon rains, which are wreaking havoc up north, are being welcomed by farmers in other parts of India.